My name is Dandy Avillanosa, Bisdak from Cebu. I am 16 years old. Um, I'd just like to share with you my experience when I attended the workshop of Jomar, similar to this, although 2 days to siya. Last year around July, I think together with John Hilado, I spent more than 15,000 pesos just to attend that seminar. Saturday and Sunday in SM Mall of Asia. Nag-leave pa ko sa akong work and I'm work Saturday. I stayed in a hotel, of course, nagasto. So more than 15,000, but that investment was very worth it. And at that time, wala kayo yung idea about internet marketing, what's online marketing. By the way, I am connected with an immigration consultancy firm based in Cebu City. We are processing applications of Filipino professionals for New Zealand, particularly nurses. And I'm into sales and marketing, and kabalo man taon sa nature sa sales people. Wag to ang kuta. And so at that time, when I learned from the internet, from the books of Bo Sanchez about the seminar, internet marketing workshop, I attended July. Then at that time, basic kayo akong knowledge about internet marketing. So I attended the 2 days workshop. Ang ako gibuhat pag yun, ganahan ko makaton. So I brought with me a tape recorder. Ang 2 days na workshop akong gi-record. And then after that, naay materials gipadala si Jomar sa USB sa akong gidala. Pag uli sa balay, halos every time na ako'y free time, akong gi-studyhan. Kasi kung balik-balik paminaw sa tape recorder na akong gi-record, then I also exploring the materials in the USB. So ko explore. And then at that time, my problem was, or my concern was, every time mag-conduct ng seminar out of town, medyo limited ang among makuha ang number of attendees for the seminar. Traditional way of promoting our services or about the seminar would be, of course, posting an ad in the newspaper, syempre mahal. Or, for example, mag-conduct ng seminar Bacolod or Iloilo, so I need to be there. I'll be distributing materials, matug mga hospital, manghatag og flyers, traditional way. But the output, usually, pinagadaghan na mong maka-attend sa seminar, usually about 50, 60, 100, daghan na siya. When I started to learn the internet marketing, online marketing, it was phenomenal. I mean, it helps a lot. Like for example, early this year, nagkanta kong seminar, katong nakuha na yun, na-practice na yun ako ang internet marketing. First time in Iloilo, online, just about 3 weeks preparation, wala ko niya to mismo sa Iloilo, just online promotion, there were 340 plus attendees. And you just imagine the percentage of the growth from traditional way na mo promotion, about 50, 60 attendees lang, pero nung I promoted online, 300 plus. And after 1 week pa yun sa Bacolod, almost 500 attendees. You can just imagine the power of online marketing. I think at the time, I tried internet marketing because I wanted to have some source of income or other streams of income. So during the workshop, Jomar discussed about some of the possible income na pwede na makuha sa internet marketing, and one of this is through Google AdSense. So I started around August, then I was asking at the time, ano sa ako pwede i-vlog? Or unsa may pwede na ko buhaton na maka-earn ko sa Google AdSense. So, since I visited New Zealand last year, naghanay ko mga pictures sa mga clients during my immersion. So, akong ibuhatan akong storya, vlog kamay, akong i-promote sa tanan akong mga clients. Then, I started doing just about very little time during weekends about my vlog. I started about September, then at the end of November, I got 140 plus US dollars in my Google AdSense. I claimed it through Western Union. Then around, I think early February, I got my second 120 plus Google AdSense, 120 plus US dollars. I suggest, of course, most of us here, I think, are into sales, marketing. We are sales and marketing people. So online marketing, internet marketing is very essential. I cannot imagine my life without internet nowadays. Okay, and I encourage you to, if you have time, you invest your time and money to attend the workshop. You can just inquire with Jomar. One thing I could assure you, every time I have a question, especially related to online marketing, internet marketing, I could just easily email Jomar, and I could just easily get his response. So that's the good thing about attending the workshop of Jomar Hilario. I think that's all I can say, and thank you very much again for coming for today, and good luck.